Okay guys, in this video you're going to learn how to deposit funds into your deriv account. I won't waste your time. I'll just go straight to the point. So first of all, you have to go to deriv.com on your address bar. So just type deriv.com, click on enter. Now you have to log in. Okay, still login at the top. Just click on login. Once you click on login, and you have to put your email and your password. So I'm just going to log in with probably, let me use this one. Okay, we are here now. This is a tutorial on how to deposit using cryptocurrency. Okay, tutorial on how to deposit using cryptocurrency. Now just check the process. So we are here now. Before you deposit, change, you see something like a dollar sign here at the top of your screen here. So you have to change that to the cryptocurrency you want to use to deposit. But if you don't have any cryptocurrency, you have not input cryptocurrency account, this is what you do. Click on that the same place here. There's a drop down here. Click on it. Once you click on it, now you see cryptocurrency. You will see all your accounts. This is a real account. You see your dollar account. You see cryptocurrency account if you input any cryptocurrency account. But by default, this is the only one that will be showing on your own if you're a new person. So to add another account like a cryptocurrency account, click this way. They would add or manage account. So let's click on add or manage account, just for your sake, not for my sake actually. So if I click add or manage accounts, it should take me to the, oh, it's like I finished adding all the accounts I'm supposed to add. So I've added Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Omni. Okay. How will I do this now for you? How will I do this? Okay, let me pause this video and use another. Okay, guys, sorry, it's my phone that was hanging. So I'll click on that at that top. Now, first of all, you click add or manage accounts. So once you click add or manage accounts, it will take you to this point. Here you will see the account that you can add. Now I've added cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Theta. So if I want to add USDT, this one now or this one now, I will just click on it. So let me click on this one to add. So yours, what you add is Litecoin. Make sure you add Litecoin because Litecoin is cheap. So I want to click on this one just to teach you. So I'll click on it, then I'll click add accounts. Successful. So I've successfully add an account. So it's not telling me deposit now, but I don't want to deposit now. But you can deposit if you want to. So let's just move away from here. Let me just cancel this at the top. Now we have the account, Theta account. This one, we just added this one. So, but I want to use Litecoin. So yours will be like Litecoin. Just click on this Litecoin. Or if it's on Litecoin, leave it on Litecoin. So I will be clicking Litecoin because it's Litecoin I want to send here to this place. So I'll just click on that Litecoin. Now the reason why I'm clicking Litecoin, I want Litecoin to be showing here instead of that US dollar. So mine is showing Litecoin now. If I take it up, you'll see that it's showing Litecoin now. Because of my screen recorder, you will not see it well. That's why I minimize it so I can see it well. So let me go back now. Now that it's showing Litecoin, I will now go to this menu at the top here. This three line here at the top. Once I click on that menu line, I will now click on cashier. I'll click on cashier. I'll now click on deposit. So I'll click on deposit. I will wait and wait for it to show me the screen so that I can copy my Litecoin wallet address. It's very straightforward. It's very simple if you are conversant to cryptocurrency. So just scroll down, scroll down. Now it's showing you that you can use bank and whatever. That was then, not anymore, but you can use cryptocurrency now. So just click on this one, cryptocurrency. Click on it. Now choose your Litecoin again. Which one do you want to deposit? Litecoin. So I'll choose on the Litecoin again. I'll click continue. Now this is my Litecoin wallet address. So I'll just click on this small box here to copy my Litecoin wallet address. So I'm clicking it now. I'll click it. So I'll copy my Litecoin wallet address. So I'm done with um deriv now. So because I've copied my wallet address, I'm done with deriv. So what I will do, I'll take this wallet address, I will now take it to Binance or wherever platform I want to send cryptocurrency from to this place. So once I send the cryptocurrency will now be reflecting here from here. Then another video, I will now teach you how to transfer it from your Litecoin to your MT5 where you can use it for trading.